Hi! So I made it to the beach on a bird. I did it. It took about 3 minutes of downloading and signing, or like checking the box, like the agreement thing. And I had to give them my driver's license and a credit card. But there was this thing about a $5, they had an option of $5 or $20 auto pay. So I did the $5 thing, and then it said when the $5 would be used, then it would automatically update, which this thing just stopped. But it stopped right at where I wanted it to stop, like my location, so I don't understand how that works. But I'm here, and that was fun, and I'm excited to have the app on my phone. And now I'm gonna go enjoy the beach and take the bird back when I'm done. Thanks for letting me share my experience with you. Have a great day.